Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno8 Lite, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let's first unlock the device here on the SIM card, and after that we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the security section. To the security. Then click here to the system security and tap to the SIM card lock. After that, just to remove SIM pin from your SIM card, you should click here once on the switcher and then just enter the password. Then just click here to OK, and that's it. Now we can see that we just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.